one more, hopefully.
There he is.
That's the greeting.
There he is.
Oh, I thought you meant suitcase.
Oh, I need sleep.
All right, and food, right?
Yeah.
Give your sis a hug.
What's up, B?
How was your flight?
Horrible.
When you're home for Christmas.
Wait, you woke up at 3 a.m., right?
This is your bag? All right, let's go to
We
the
thought
car.
like 7 different people were you.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh my God.
How do you feel,
The sun
Mom?
is bright. I feel complete. My children are home for Christmas.
Do you feel like it's officially Christmas now?
Yes. It's officially Christmas.
And your favorite kid is home?
Yep. Both of them.
No.
Wait, cheers. Wait, maybe let's take sips first because we're gonna spill. Okay, no. Okay, ready? Cheers to the holiday. Cheers. I'm in. Wait, now.
It looks so good.
Aww.
Yeah,
Right before you, a
holiday
girl came
cheer.
running to her parents, like ran out and like
go.
jumped on them.
Really?
I
For us. Y'all are reunited.
Who is that? Nice. He sipped in. Here's your cup too. Here's your little mountain you made. A mountain of flour. Hey. Are you don't pick my sister? We're gonna have a blind taste test.
Mm-hmm.
They're gonna be the same.
I think I know who's gonna win.
So now this.
Yeah, we'll
stuff
have
you
to cast the
pack.
vote. Who do you think's gonna win? Stacy?
Can we put the sugar in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. McKenna's gonna make a nice
You said you were.
bag. No, you are.
Who are rules?
Oh no.
Mom?
You did it. You threw your elbow. That's it.
Yeah, I have
Go to
proof
bed.
of that.
All right, Lily. Turn on the blender when you're ready.
Let it rip.
Not on full speed.
Let it rip.
She got hot crinkle bombs on the first one. There you go. Let that get cooked up a little bit. No, don't. If it starts flying, it'll be a big mess.
Let it rip.
Put up one more. Thank you. Now I'm Julia Child in the kitchen, making my wine. That's good. It's a Pinot. Needs to breathe a little bit.
This is gonna be the very satisfying part.
We'll put the chips in. You have to have Nestle. You can't use all of
Yeah,
it.
you gotta dump the Nestle in.
No, that's good.
All right, there you go. As your assistant, I'm
Come on.
handing off the goods.
It's a strong arm this shit. You want more?
You.
You might be able to get those chips in there better. Maybe you want a regular spoon.
Use your muscles.
Now you can eat all the cookie dough you want when it's in your hands.
Yeah, it's a serving right there.
Oh. It's hard, right? Do you think cooking's frustrating?
That's-
We'll be like, we'll notice nobody eats our cookies when they're at our house. But that's because the Boltons and Millers get the cat hair on their cookies.
You didn't comment on my
Ooh,
mountain.
you have a nice mountain. Very nice.
Now get an overview close up of this butter, this demolition.
Demo in the butter. Get it. Get some juice in, that'll help.
are you doing?
Oh, Argentina. So McKenna, now
The cooling rack. A whole new meaning. Right. You bitches have to taste it.
Can you grab one?
Dylan's. Mine.
Sorry.
All right. You can tell there is a difference in both color and texture between my cookies
You
and
can.
Dylan's.
Dylan's are fluffier on top.
Oh.
But his are like a thicker. Yeah, well, I say after one stay, I get the job.
All right. I'm a little
No,
offended.
but for real, yours are like his are more taller.
Yeah, but you guys have to have the taste test to judge.
Yes. Ooh, I would like that one because it doesn't have chocolate chips. So this is gonna be Dylan's tin, and then you're gonna have a tin.
Post cookie baking. It looks like you enjoyed the
Chick-fil-A.
cookies though.
Why?
'Cause
I'm not saving
you got-
some for later.
Yeah.
Back at the Ian and Copley. I don't know where he is.
Maybe I am.
Oh, Dylan, I think I have oranges.
Huh?
I think I have oranges.
You know, you know.